Hey everyone, I'm Ava and welcome back to my channel. Let's be real. Choosing a college major can feel overwhelming, especially with so much at stake. No one wants to end up with debt and a degree that doesn't pay off. I've done the research and talked to the experts, so today I'm breaking down the 7 best college majors for 2025 and beyond. Ones that lead to real jobs, solid paychecks, and our future-proof careers. We're cutting through the noise to focus on what actually matters. So, grab a notebook and get comfortable. Let's make sure your tuition is an investment that pays you back. Let's dive into some fields that are not just promising, but are actively shaping our world. First up, computer science, especially with a focus on artificial intelligence. These fields are experiencing unprecedented growth and offer incredible opportunities for those ready to jump in. AI isn't a fad. It's a fundamental shift, transforming every industry, from the most traditional sectors like agriculture to cutting-edge fields like space exploration and everything in between, including healthcare and law. It's becoming deeply integrated into how businesses operate and how we live our lives. For example, doctors use AI for faster, more accurate diagnoses, leading to quicker treatment and better patient outcomes. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with incredible precision, detecting anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. Educators also use AI for personalized learning, tailoring educational content to meet the unique needs of each student. AI-powered tools can assess a student's strengths and weaknesses, providing customized learning paths and resources. AI is beneficial to lawyers, who use it to sift through data in seconds, uncovering crucial information and building stronger cases. AI can automate tedious tasks like document review, freeing up lawyers to focus on strategy and client interaction. A CS in AI degree opens doors for careers as a software developer, AI research scientist, machine learning engineer, and cybersecurity expert. These are just a few of the many exciting career paths available. Demand is sky high, and starting salaries average over $85,000, but can often hitting 6 figures with specialization. And that's just the beginning. The earning potential grows rapidly with experience and expertise. It's not just about coding, it's about solving real problems and building the future. You'll be part of a team creating innovative solutions that impact millions of lives. You'll need logic, creativity, and adaptability. But the payoff is huge. You'll be rewarded with a challenging and fulfilling career. So if you're looking for job security, high earning potential, and a front row seat to the tech revolution, this is your ticket. You'll be at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of technology. You're not just getting a degree, you're investing in a future-proof career. The skills you learn will be valuable for decades to come. The tech landscape is always evolving, so you'll never stop learning. This constant evolution keeps the work exciting and challenging. Whether you're building apps, defending against cyber threats, or pushing AI boundaries, you'll be at the forefront of innovation. You'll be contributing to groundbreaking advancements that change the world. The world needs digital problem solvers now more than ever. The demand for skilled professionals in these fields is only going to increase in the years to come. If you're ready for a challenge with massive rewards, CS and AI is the way to go. It's a path that offers both personal and professional fulfillment. This is more than a job, it's shaping the future. You'll be part of a community of innovators, creating the technology of tomorrow. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The future is calling, and it needs your skills and talents. Next, let's talk about nursing and allied health professions. These career fields are the definition of essential. Healthcare careers are recession-proof and always in demand. You don't need a decade of school. Allied health offers high-impact careers with just a bachelor's or associate's degree. Think registered nurse, radiologic technologist, physical therapy assistant, or respiratory therapist. The aging population and medical advances mean healthcare jobs are growing fast. Starting salaries range from $60,000 to $85,000, with even more for specialized nurses. Benefits and overtime opportunities are strong, but it's not just about the paycheck, it's about making a real difference in people's lives. If you're compassionate, calm under pressure, and want a career with purpose, healthcare is a smart, rewarding choice. You'll see the impact of your work every day. The field is full of growth and innovation. There's always room to learn and advance. Choose healthcare if you want stability, good pay, and a meaningful career. Now, let's talk data science and analytics. It's a field that's rapidly transforming industries across the globe. It's the hidden engine of the business world, quietly powering decisions and strategies behind the scenes. Data science provides the insights that drive innovation and efficiency. Data is the new gold, a vast and largely untapped resource. And companies need people who can turn numbers into insights, transforming raw information into actionable strategies. They need individuals who can decipher the stories hidden within the data. As a data scientist or analyst, you're at the forefront of this revolution. You'll collect, clean, and interpret data to drive smart decisions, helping organizations understand their customers, optimize their operations, and predict future trends. Career options include data analyst, business intelligence analyst, and data engineer. Each role plays a vital part in the data ecosystem. You'll help companies understand trends, improve performance, and stay ahead of the competition. By identifying opportunities and mitigating risks, you'll be a strategic asset. Starting salaries are typically over $70,000, with rapid growth as you gain experience. Your earning potential increases significantly as you develop your skills and expertise. Senior roles can easily reach six figures. Your work directly impacts a company's success, so you're highly valued. Your insights will shape key decisions and drive tangible results. If you love solving puzzles and have a knack for logical thinking, this is your field. It's a career path that rewards analytical minds and problem-solving skills. It's a blend of computer science, statistics, and business. It's a multidisciplinary field that requires a diverse skill set. You don't need to be a math genius, just curious and eager to learn. A willingness to explore and experiment is key. In a data-driven world, your skills are a superpower. You'll have the ability to see patterns and insights that others miss. Data science is where curiosity meets opportunity. It's a chance to make a real difference and shape the future. Psychology might surprise you. It's a field often misunderstood, perceived by some as solely focused on therapy or counseling. But the truth is, psychology's reach extends far beyond the therapist's couch. While it might not always top the list of high-paying majors right out of the gate, psychology is more relevant than ever in today's rapidly evolving world. Its principles are applicable across countless industries and professions. The key to unlocking its full potential is pairing your degree with a smart minor, a carefully curated skill set, or a well-thought-out grad school plan. This strategic approach can significantly enhance your career prospects. For example, mental health careers such as counseling, therapy, and social work. These fields are experiencing unprecedented growth and are booming. The increasing awareness and acceptance of mental health needs are driving this demand. Also, tech companies in particular need UX researchers to deeply understand user behavior and make apps and websites more intuitive and user-friendly. HR, education, and marketing companies all value psychology grads for their deep understanding of people, their motivations, and their behaviors. The skills you gain with a psychology degree are incredibly transferable. Motivation, conflict resolution, understanding group dynamics, and effective communication. Be intentional. Consider a minor in business to understand organizational behavior, data analytics to interpret research, or communications to effectively convey your insights, and get real-world experience through internships and volunteer work. Internships and practical skills like data analysis or survey design make you stand out from the competition. Psychology is versatile. Combine it with the right focus and a proactive approach to career development, and you'll find well-paying, meaningful work that aligns with your values and passions. The demand for mental health and human-centered roles that prioritize empathy and understanding is only growing. You can make a real impact on people's lives in tech, business, or education, contributing to a more compassionate and understanding world. Psychology is fundamentally about understanding people, their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. And that's a skill that's always in high demand, regardless of the industry. With purpose and a well-defined strategy, this major opens unexpected doors to a fulfilling and impactful career. Now let's talk engineering, the classic major for builders and problem solvers. Engineers shape the world, from bridges and buildings to smartphones and power grids. The field is broad and includes civil, mechanical, electrical, environmental, and software engineering. Civil engineers build infrastructure, mechanical engineers design machines, electrical engineers power our tech-driven world, environmental engineers tackle pollution and sustainability, and software engineers create the digital tools we use daily. No matter your specialty, you'll use math and science to solve real-world problems. Job prospects are excellent, with starting salaries from $70,000 to $90,000. Top grads can earn even more right out of school. Engineering teaches you how to think and innovate. The demand for smart builders is constant and growing. It's challenging, but the financial and career security is unmatched. If you want to build, invent, and make a tangible impact, engineering is your path. The world needs more engineers. Will you be one of them? Sustainability and environmental science are no longer niche, they're at the center of global priorities. The climate crisis means companies and governments need experts to guide greener choices. Careers include climate policy, renewable energy, and ESG consulting. You could help draft environmental laws, assess renewable projects, or advise companies on sustainable practices. ESG consultants help businesses improve their impact and brand. The field is growing fast, especially in large companies under pressure to go green. Starting salaries vary, but demand and pay are rising. More importantly, you'll have a career with purpose tackling one of humanity's biggest challenges. There's room to innovate and carve your own path. If you want your work to align with your values, this is a future-focused choice. You'll be at the forefront of the energy and sustainability revolution. Make your career count for the planet. Our last top major for 2025 and the future is Instructional Design and EdTech. These have exploded as learning moves online. It's about creating engaging, effective digital learning experiences and not just recording lectures. Instructional designers blend education, psychology, and tech to make learning stick. Careers span from corporate training, higher ed, startups, and to the creator economy. Companies need e-learning developers to train employees, and universities need experts to build online courses. EdTech startups are booming, and there's huge entrepreneurial potential. Starting salaries are often $60,000 plus, with room to grow. So if you love teaching, tech, and creativity, this is a rewarding, in-demand path you could take. You'll help shape how the world learns. The digital age needs innovative educators. Will you be one of them? Instructional design is where creativity meets impact. So, there you have it. 7 top majors for 2025, all aligned with the future. These fields are growing, they are in demand, and they offer real opportunities. Choosing a major is big, but it's your chance to be strategic. So take the time to do some research, follow your interests, and think about the impact you want to make. It's possible for you to have both passion and a paycheck. Please drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and if you found this video valuable, please subscribe for more honest college and university advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future starts now.